My name is Marco Gil Cervantes and I'm the Chief Executive of ProMo-Cymru. We do a lot of work around communication strategies, new media. We also run the Ebervale Institute and run a number of helplines. A lot of the work is around working directly with young people, families and communities and helping them create positive change. We work with young people, families and communities as the first base. Those are the groups directing what we do. So organisations willing to take a risk, take those steps that are sometimes difficult to take and create a new projects and new services that is going to make a positive effect on them. We know we can help to change lots of young people's lives. The future holds new services that people want. I think it's really important for young people to have the information they need to make good decisions.